Hello, everybody. This is Jin Fan from ClearLED. Welcome to InfoComm 26. We're here in Las Vegas. This year, we're very excited to introduce more extension of our MicroMesh tour family. This is a product we invented and introduced to the market 3 years ago, geared towards exhibition and rental industry, combining with our flagship MicroMesh transparent product line. And here we're showcasing how easy installation and setup it is. And if you come with me, and I will show you the details. We're introducing more variations of the product family. Last year we introduced a 1 meter by 1 meter standard size, and this year we'll introduce more sizes. Maybe come to the back with me. So this product is 3.9 by 3.9 millimeter pixel pitch. Visually, it offers 93% transparency. We have different variation standard sizes. 1 meter by 1 meter is the standard size. On the bottom, we're also having a meter by 2 meter sizes, and then a half a meter by a meter size. So all of these standard cabinets can be mixed and matched, and can do corners and curves. And it's very easy to install because we have built-in power and data, and it's really just snap on, snap off. And we have a built-in test button that indicates power and data. So for no matter for permanent or for permanent installation or rental, it's easy to test and easy to and very minimalistic to maintain a very clean look in the back. This product is also very lightweight. If you look up here, we're showcasing that you have a lot of possibility with this product. You can hand them, suspend them. They're only 14 pounds per panel, and making it ideal for a lot of suspended ceiling creative art installations. Yeah, and for more information, welcome to visit our website. It's clearled.com. Thank you.